we will see how to mirror any part in assembly. This is the one part and we want to mirror it, so we will just see a simple view. Select any plane from which you want to mirror. So we selected top plane. We want to mirror against this top plane. So just go to this option, drop down the menu, and here mirror component. Now top plane selected, select the component. Now here one arrow showing, see next, select next. See, it's showing the preview of what you want to mirror. Select OK. Now see, it is mirror. Now there is two parts. So we mirror this hinge against top plane. This is very simple.